Samsung is adding a new smart feature to its phones called Voice Captioning, and it's coming with the One UI 8 update. This feature is part of Galaxy AI, which is Samsung's group of tools that use artificial intelligence to make your phone more useful. Voice Captioning builds on the existing Live Captions feature, but now it does even more. It not only shows what someone is saying in real time, but also translates it into other languages and gives you a quick summary of the conversation. So instead of just reading what's being said, you can understand it in your own language, and even get the main idea right away. This is super helpful if you're watching something or talking to someone in a language you don't speak. The goal is to make communication easier, no matter where you are or who you're talking to. The feature was first found by a user named Galaxy Techi, who posted about it on X, formerly Twitter. Right now, voice captioning is only officially available in China, and only for the new Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. But the good news is, people using other Samsung phones might be able to try it by downloading something called an APK file. If you install this APK file on your Galaxy phone running One UI 8 or even One UI 7, you might be able to access voice captioning early. After installing, you can add a shortcut for it in your quick settings, but keep in mind, it may not work perfectly on all phones. Some users on Reddit have said that it doesn't work well on phones using the beta versions of One UI. So, if you want the best chance for it to work, make sure your phone is on the stable version of One UI. Once the feature is turned on, you'll see a small icon on your screen. You'll also get to choose where the audio is coming from. You can set it to listen to audio from your phone, from an external mic, or from both. This makes it useful in many situations, like watching a video, taking part in a meeting, or recording an interview. One of the best things about this feature is how useful it is in meetings, especially when different languages are being spoken. Samsung says it's great for international calls because it lets you follow along by showing real-time translations. Then, once the call or video ends, you get a summary of what was said. That can save a lot of time and help you remember the most important parts. Let's say you're on a video call with someone speaking Mandarin, but you only understand English. Voice captioning will show the Mandarin speech in English text as it happens. Then after the call, you get a short summary so you don't forget the key points. This can be a game changer for students, business workers, and anyone who talks to people from other countries. When setting it up, you'll be asked to choose the languages you want the feature to support. This is important because the translations and summaries depend on those language packs being downloaded. So, make sure to select the ones you'll need most often. This shows how serious Samsung is about making AI helpful in real life. They're not just adding fun features, they're solving real problems. Voice captioning can break language barriers, help with accessibility, and make conversations easier to follow for everyone. Yes, Google Pixel phones already have Live Captions and Live Translate, but Samsung takes it a step further by adding summaries. That turns voice captioning into more than just a translation tool. It becomes something that boosts productivity and helps you save time. If you're using a Samsung phone with One UI 8 or One UI 7, this feature could be coming your way soon. Samsung hasn't said when it will launch globally, but based on the early version, it looks like it will be one of the best parts of the update. If you've ever had trouble understanding videos, calls, or people speaking another language, this feature is made for you. It's not something everyone will need every day, but for those who do, it will be very useful. Would you try Samsung's new voice captioning feature? It might just be one of the biggest changes in One UI 8. Keep an eye out. More smart AI tools from Samsung are probably coming soon.